guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yancy. If you're new here, hey, I'm on a journey to become debt free, and today is Freebie Friday. So everything that I will be showing you guys, it's from either my coffee shop or someone else on their coffee shop, and it's free. You guys, finally, almost 2 weeks ago, or more like going into 2 weeks, it's beautiful outside. Oh my goodness. Today I have $77 to cash stuff or to play with for Freebie Friday. There's a few 5s and like I think 2 10s. Oh my goodness. I am excited. Okay. Excited to see who is gonna win and who's gonna get the most. Blah blah blah. Yeah. I hope you have. I hope you guys are. Gosh, I can't talk. I'm sorry. And Happy has arrived from the gym. We are on break, so yeah. All right, so I hope you guys had a great week so far. You guys doing anything fun for the weekend? Let me know. We're hoping we have our day off Saturday, because we got a new person. Well, she was already here, but you know, we got her to come back again, and so yeah. All right, let's see how today's goes. I am so pumped and excited. All right, okay, we're almost there. Hold on, we still have to take up thumbnail. I know. All right, so I am excited because I know we have to finish something. I'm excited. Small wins do win. Small wins get you far. Trust me. Don't think just because, you know, they're small amounts, it's not going to get you somewhere. Girl, yes, it will. Yes, it will. Okay. All right. Ready? Here we go. Oh, no. It's a little bit too up there. Okay. Hold on. Sometimes I never know how I'm doing until I check my camera. Okay. Let's see. Does it look good? Oh, I don't know. It looks crooked. Oh, well. It is what it is. Oh, my gosh. I can't believe the weekend is here already. Okay, I think it looks great now. Okay, here we go. Thumbnail. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Good luck, everybody. This is from my coffee shop. This is from Budget with Jessica, Budget with Amanda, and this one I think is from the Hopeful Budget, and this one is from Budget with Jessica. This one's for Budget with Jessica as well. Okay. Here we go. Actually, let me close the door. Hold on. Okay, door closed. So let's go ahead and get started. Woo! My roll of dice from Dollar Tree. All right. Number 1. Okay, awesome. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And that one, redo. Number two. Okay, awesome. Let's see who's gonna get the first 5. I'm excited to see who's gonna get the first 5. A 3. Okay. Ooh, a 6. Okay, guys, here's the first 5. A 6. Okay, awesome. I think this is the most I have ever done for Freebie Friday. $77. That's the highest. Ooh, another 5 for 2. A 6. Okay, 6 is going in lead. Yes, look at that. Another 6. 6 is coming in hot. Ooh, number 1 got a 10. That's the first 10. I think there's one more 10 if I'm not mistaken. We have a 3. A 4. Let me know, you guys, how's the weather over there? Over here it's supposed to snow next week, supposedly. We have a 4. Oh my gosh. But who knows? Who knows how it's gonna be? Right now, it is beautiful today. It's the only day that is beautiful. We have a 5. Finally, a 5 for Amanda. A 1. Oh my goodness. I think this is the most I've ever played with. This is so exciting. A 3. I don't know if I'm gonna do a cash stuffing tomorrow. It depends. A 2. I'm not sure. We will see. a 1. I don't know. It all depends on how much money I make for today. Yeah, for today, for cash profit. I don't know. We will see how my hours are doing, you guys. My watch hour. Thank you so much for everybody that has been watching my video. Truly appreciate you guys. Oh, finally, Amanda. 5 for you, Amanda. All right, a 3. Ooh, a 4. We're getting close. We're almost there. Hold on. We have a 2. Okay, so by the way, happy Valentine's. A 5. Happy Valentine's. Let's do a quick stop. So if you're watching, hey, hold on. Big surprise. All right, hold on. Okay, so if you're watching right now, for a little happy Valentine's gift for you guys, all you have to do is comment. Hold on, let me see. Okay, I want to go ahead and give you guys a little happy Valentine's gift. So if you are more than happy to enter or would love to win, for one winner only, the scratch off from my Etsy shop. If you want to win this, just comment any on any of the comments, or in one of the comments, whatever. Comment Valentine's with a purple heart, and you'll be entered, and I will pick the winner for either Saturday. I'm not sure if I'm gonna make a video for Saturday or for Sunday, whichever video I post. I'm not sure, Saturday or Sunday. So a 1-day giveaway. So if you want to enter for that, comment Valentine's with a purple heart. So yeah, so hey, a little giveaway there for like a little Valentine's. Okay, this one is a 6. Ooh, a 10. Okay, and a 3. Awesome. A 2. Okay, we're down to like our last dollars. A 5. And ooh, a 6. Wow, 6 killed it this time. Another 6. Okay, that's it. So all done. So let's gather those challenges and see who is gonna get done for today. I feel like someone's gonna get done. I'm not sure who, but I feel like yes. All right, so this one here we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So $15. And we have 2 left from last time. 15, 16, 17. Wait, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17. All right, so each of them is 3. Okay, so 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I believe 4. Wait, hold on. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15, sorry, 15. Yeah, 15. I can't count. All right, so 15 for this one. We need 1, 2, 3, 4 left. And we're left with 2 for the next one. So that's exciting. I'm telling you guys, this was the most I would ever cash stuff or play with. More like play with. It's more like play with. Okay, so there's that one. All right, next, let's see how much this one got. 1, 2, 3, 5. Ooh, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. $16 for this one. Each donut, it's $2. All right. Oh my goodness, we're getting close to finishing this one. Look at that. Wow. This one will save us $40. Oh, that's so exciting. Oh my goodness. We need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 donuts left, and we'll be done with that one. So if you're new here and you are wondering what do I do with this money, I put this money towards my debt, which if you haven't checked my video, you definitely can go to my debt update and you will see how much I have left to pay off my debt. It may not seem a lot to a lot of you guys, but for me, I'm drowning. Okay, I'm drowning. All right, let's see this one. This one is $5 each icon, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4 from last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I got 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's one icon. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Really? Yes, so $10. Guys, you know what that means? That we only need one more to complete this one. So each icon is $5. Oh my gosh, so 5 and 10. Oh my gosh, $5 more, and we're gonna complete this one for next time. I think we're gonna complete it on Freaky Friday. No, not Freaky Friday. Oh my goodness, Freaky Wednesday. Maybe on Freaky Wednesday we complete this. That's gonna be exciting. That's a lot. That's a lot of money. Look, each of them are $5, so that's a lot of money. So hopefully we do. That'll be nice. Okay, you hear the train? All right, next, this one here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh, we got a 5. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh my goodness. Ooh, and we have 2 left from last time. Oh, wow. So 3, 6, 9, 12. We have 2 left from last time. We need only 3 eggs left. And we're going to be done with this one too. Maybe for Freaky Wednesday. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is so exciting. I'm telling you guys, small amounts do add up. They do add up. Oh my goodness. It's so thick with ones that it doesn't want to clip anymore. Hi, Popo. How are you doing? So the police just passed by. I love it here that they pass just randomly, just checking up on the neighborhood. On the neighborhood. Not neighbor. Oh my goodness. In the neighborhood, they pass randomly just to check that everything is okay. Makes you feel safe. All right, next. This one here is a first time. So we will see how much we have. Ooh, I got a 5 too. 5, 6, 7, 8. So this one got 8. So we're gonna do 3, 6, 8. So $8 on this one. I don't have a little clip. Paper clip. Okay. Paper clip it is. All right. Who knows how much this one will save us, but that's exciting. It's a first time on the channel. So that's budget with Amanda. Fun. I got a good amount for a first time. Okay, next. This is the last one. Is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 6. Okay, last one. All right. Oh, yeah. This one, I feel like I completed this one. I could be wrong, but we never know. All right, let's see. So this one got 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. It got 20, and it has 1 left, so 21. 21. Oh, my goodness. Let's see. So we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14. I'm going to take a 15 and leave a 1 for the other challenge. My goodness. Oh my goodness. So we completed this one. Oh my gosh. If you're still watching, leave me a bow emoji to show me that you're watching and showing love with the watch hours. Okay, so how much did this one save us? Each little bowl was $2. So let's count. Let's count. So we have 10, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, $36. Oh my goodness, $36, you guys, for this one. So yay, $36 going towards my dad. That's exciting. Okay, so I'm gonna switch things up. there is a challenge here on my regular saving challenge cash stuffing that I think I have to get it out because it's gonna take me forever to complete, which is this one right here. I'm gonna do it for Freebie Friday instead, so we're gonna add that one there because I feel like it's gonna take forever for me to do it here on this specific binder, if that makes sense. So yeah, so let's add what we have left. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 left. So that's gonna be right here a 3, 6, and 1 here. So 7. Okay, so 7 added to that. So the first one here equals $1. The mint or blue is $2. The yellow is 3. And this one right here, it's 4, the purpley one. I don't know if you can see that. So we added those here. So that's $6 and plus 1, that's 7. So $7. Okay, yay. Awesome, let me get a little paper clip for that. Okay, there you have it. Awesome sauce. Okay, we're definitely gonna finish this one soon, faster than having it in my other binder. So yeah. Not sure how much this one will be, but as you can tell, it's gonna be a lot. Okay, it's gonna be a lot of money on that one, so I'm excited. Ooh, hold on. Okay, here we go. Okay, there you go. Freebie Friday, all done. Oh my goodness, there's too many money in here. Too many monies in here. All right, let's put them back and we will see them again on Freaky Wednesday. Freaky Wednesday. All right, thank you so much for watching. Appreciate all of you guys. Love the support. I love you. Okay, guys, I'm so excited. I got very beautiful natural lighting today. So beautiful. Okay, there you have it. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you guys. Oh, so thick. I see you guys on the next one. Oh my gosh. Bye.